Scheduled launch of a Blue Origin rocket is on hold tonight because of concerns over solar activity. The project is part of NASA's push to use private companies for much of its work on an eventual mission to Mars. Here's senior correspondent Jonathan Seri with the details.
That's insane.
Intense solar activity producing dramatic auroras visible far to the south has prompted NASA to postpone the launch of 2 space probes to Mars. Spacecraft venturing beyond Earth's protective magnetic field are more susceptible to damage from solar storms. Mars' once robust magnetic field weakened long ago, and the solar wind has been stripping away its atmosphere ever since.
We know that Mars at least was episodically warm and wet for a couple billion years, but hasn't been so for about 2 billion years or so. And we think atmospheric escape's a major reason for that.
The twin satellites of NASA's ESCAPADE mission will study the sun's impact on Mars to help scientists design better protection for spacecraft and astronauts as the space agency works to fulfill President Trump's goal of sending humans to the red planet. NASA allowed its partners to develop the uncrewed mission on a faster timeline in exchange for a price tag under $80 million, about 1/7 the cost of a similar Mars mission more than a decade ago.
That's an example of how academia can work together with industry and with government in a more streamlined way to do top-level science with less oversight.
The NASA space probes will launch on Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket, which falls under a new FAA ban on daytime commercial launches during the government shutdown. The company has been working closely with federal regulators on exceptions for this high-priority mission. ESCAPADE's first launch attempt Sunday was scrubbed due to thick clouds in the area. Now it's the space weather forecast NASA and Blue Origin are watching before determining the best time to try again. John?
Well, hopefully they'll get it up there soon. Jonathan Seri for us. Jonathan, thank you.